I was like, girl, I want this. It seems so cute. After Marisol has said she got one on Marketplace. Well, I've been on there for a bit, and I couldn't see one that was cute enough where it looked like it was really used really bad. So I ordered me a Happ brand of diaper bag, and it's also like a little backpack. So I'm like, this is so cute. So when I go even to work as a cosmetologist or whatever, I'm going to do waxing or nails or whatever, I can pack all my stuff in here as well. So this is a little diaper bag. Comes with the pocket here. It tells you what it's made from, how to spot clean it, and all that good jazz. It comes with little, you know, diaper pockets to put certain things here, and then on the sides here, if you can see, there's little pockets here to put a bottle in there or your Desitin or whatever. And then, and this is a pretty pink. I've been loving this kind of pink. It's like a rose gold pink. It's kind of smushed right there, but when everything goes in it, it should be better looking. But you could put some stuff in the front as well. But this is from the Happ. The bottom is like a diaper bag area. And then you zip it up here. Zip it up, and then this strap goes from there to there. And you could carry it like a backpack. And this is really cute. When I go to the stores and stuff, I have all her stuff, the baby stuff. When is that how this goes? I guess so. And you just carry it like a backpack, y'all. And then this came in it as well. I think this is the diaper cloth, diaper pad when you change your baby's diaper, or is it a bag? I don't know. I've seen it. Oh no, it's a bag to put it in when you're all done using it, and you put your bag in here. And I also seen on the app, and where you buy them, is a little diaper pad to change the diaper. So I thought that was really cute or whatever. So yeah. So I just needed to start making these videos so I can start working on them, editing them, and getting them out. So this goes on these little clips. Oh, and it has a little thing to put more stuff in there, and it just magnets. It has a magnet to close there. So this goes on here, and it clips. Take it off of here. And then you could put your water bottle for you, mommy. And then it clips on this side. And this rose gold, or this pretty pink, whatever. This is a cute little pink diaper bag color. Or you can do it like that. You can carry it like that. I probably would prefer to use it as a backpack, because I have a backpack that I use, a Little Mermaid, for Giselle, and I really like the backpack. So probably be carrying this, and then I could put my stuff, like I said, for nails or whatever I want to pack in here too as well, and go on the go. But yeah, this is really cute. I love this color. I usually find good finds on Marketplace for all this stuff, but like I said, a lot of them were like really, like you could tell they were really used, and they weren't worth $80 for one. So I couldn't find one, and I was like, I really would like one, because that's cute to put the diapers in there, all the stuff for the baby when I go out and about, and then whenever I need other stuff for me, even my purse things, even in there, whatever.
Traveling I'm trying to pick myself up. I may be living alone, but I still believe in love. And all
look at these fingernails. They look so real on her. Like the little tips, they look like real hands, real little nails. They are so cute. That detail that she did on these little fingers and nail beds is amazing. And her toes are like that too. I love this backpack diaper bag. They're pink too, like the sweater, they're Guess. I'm like, yeah, styling. So yeah, but with that being said, guys, I will catch you guys on the next one, and never forget, y'all, ti amo.